My name is Ian, and this is the ribbon plant called Homalocladium. Now, what makes this plant so special? Well, it has to be this very narrow strap-like foliage, and as the plant gets stronger and more robust, some of those branches turn round, and that's how the plant is able to support the weight. But this plant rarely gets to a good size. Typically, it's grown as a house plant or in a pot or a container, and it is never overwintered so that it can really put on some girth. I bought this last spring, grew it last summer, and then overwintered it in a frost-free greenhouse, and then brought it back outside again this year. So it's had 2 summers to get this beautiful, arching, very elegant growth. This branch here came out earlier in the year. This one was a couple of months ago, and you can see here we've got some more straps which will eventually turn round and become as significant as this. I don't know of any other plant like this. This ribbon plant really is very special. And let's just do a little bit of a close-up. You can see here how narrow the foliage is. And it's also segmented. Something I want to point out to you is that this got dry 3 months ago, and this tip went brown, and I was a little disappointed thinking that it might continue being brown and ugly. But what happened is the segment fell off, and then it started growing with a new fresh growth all by itself. So architectural, weeping, sweeping, I think very, very special. And if you're lucky, sometimes you'll get this, and it puts out these little growths on the side. Now, this is the plant's attempt at flowering, not something that any of us would really go, wow, that's amazing. But it's very, very interesting, I think. Perhaps not very attractive, but still very, very interesting. This is the ribbon plant, Homalocladium, well worth growing.